Yes, two things are very important. First one is self-belief and second one is regular practice.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have both the things, then definitely you can improve. And
Yes,
most
ma'am.
of the people like here, like they don't have self-belief that they can be able to speak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm
How
pretty
was your?
good. Thank you.
Okay, so how was your morning?
Yeah, it was good. And as usual.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so
So
we are meeting for the first time. So can you just introduce yourself?
yes, ma'am. Why not? So as you know, my name is Sanjan, and I am talking with you from Delhi. Basically, I am residing in Bihar. I'm here to study purpose, and if I talk my education, so I have done my schooling from Delhi, and now I am pursuing BA Bachelor of Arts, and this is my first year. And about my hobbies, so I like play hockey, and I also do like meditation and yoga. That's all about me, and this is my experience. Thank you.
Oh, that's great. So you are currently living in Delhi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me introduce myself as well. So my name is
Yes, ma'am.
Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal. I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in IT sector. And my hobbies, I love to do drawing and dancing. Yes,
Yeah,
that's all.
that's wonderful. Okay, so ma'am, you said you told me do you I have a YouTube channel. So which kind of YouTube channel?
Okay, it is all about English only,
Yeah.
spoken English.
Okay. Okay.
I just upload
So
like this conversational videos and as well as whatever the things according to the grammar rules and something. So that are the things I like to do.
okay, okay, okay. So ma'am, can I ask one question?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay. So when did you start your journey? Means when did you start learning English?
Okay. So about my YouTube channel, I started a year ago.
Okay.
I just completed 1 year. I started with teaching like grammar things. But if I'll talk about the speaking part, so I just started 6 months ago. Yes.
Okay. Okay. And why did you learn English? What is the reason behind it?
Okay, so as I'm working in the IT sector, so here it's a necessary for me to speak everything in English because all our colleagues and manager are from different countries as well. So we have to talk only in English. So that is the main problem that I was facing in the beginning. So that's what I thought, like I should improve myself so that I will be able to communicate better with them. So yeah, that's what my plan.
Okay, so do you use English in your office nowadays?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so how was your experience with a native speaker? Because you say in my office many kind of people available like different different countries, so they are native speakers. So how was your experience?
Yes. So, before that, I was not getting the confidence while speaking to native speakers because they speak sometimes very fast. We are not able to understand their accent. Yeah, in
Yeah.
the beginning, I was facing a lot of difficulties for understanding their accent. But, now I'm listening it continuously. So now it is bit okay than before. So, and yeah, before that, I was not getting confidence if I'll have to say something with them, but after this process, like I'm speaking with different person, so I'm just little bit comfortable now, so I can communicate with them.
Yeah, that's great. Ma'am, you are learning a native English, means a natural English, how to speak English. So I think
Yes.
it is good for you.
Yeah, definitely. They sometimes they speak like we are not able to look like professional. If I'll talk about
Yes.
myself, so if I talk with them, so I feel like I'm not professional and I'm not using that professional words or something. So when I hear them, so I feel like that they are very good and I'm not like them. So I just compare like this. But yeah, it will be
Yes, ma'am.
time taking
Yeah, ma'am.
process.
Yeah, I think we should not compare with others because they are native speakers. So basically, they can speak good English, and and we are like we have a second language. It is not our first language. So obviously, we will make mistake any kind. So it is not any kind of like an exam. So whenever I starting so. I make mistake and after that people laughing at on me. So I think it is wrong because I start
They are
when I
already aware, like English is not our mother tongue, so that's why we are
yes
making mistakes or something. So they are
yes
not think like that.
yeah. But actually, ma'am, when I started learning English, so that time I thought like that. When I speak English, so people laughing me. So that sometimes I feel underconfident. But now I am connecting with different people, means strangers. So they suggest me, why are you thinking about people? Just it is
Mhm.
your works. Just you do continuously. Other don't focus on people. So now I am able to speak little bit, not more much, just little bit.
Yes, two things are very important. First one is self-belief, and second one is regular practice.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have both the things, then definitely you can improve. And
Yes,
most
ma'am.
of the people lack here, like they don't have self-belief that they can be able to speak. Even I faced a lot of difficulties when I was in college. So that time I was not getting confidence that how I would speak, and I was bothering about my mistake, that how people will react on me. So yeah, and once I realized that it's not a matter, like whatever the people are thinking about me, let them think. I'm
That's
not bothering about them. So now I'm able to speak once I
yeah.
remove this thought.
Yeah, because we have a ability to speak it. Because that's why actually I am always trust on my ability because I have ability to speak that when I start learning and when I do continuously. So obviously I can speak English. So everybody uh, speaking is just they need to trust on like her ability, his ability. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely.
And you have any kind of question so you can ask.
Yes. So how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning English last 2 months ago.
Okay, 2 months. Oh, that's great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what kind of problem you are facing? Like, what do you think?
Nowadays, I am facing a little bit problem, like not more much. Just when I speak English, so that time I forget some vocabulary, and also I facing how to pronounce. Like actually, my pronunciation is totally bad. So nowadays I am working on that kind of mistake, and I also make mistake and, whenever I write something. So in I make more like a spelling mistake. It's all about mistake spelling. So
Yes,
I
yes,
don't know how to write paragraph in English.
okay. So yeah, it's a time taking process, and if you are continuously doing this thing, so you can remove. Yeah, for example, if you are saying something, what I usually do, if I don't get any kind of word, so I just replace those word in a very simple sentence or simple word. I can use that. Or I'm talking with you. So if I'm not getting the right word, so I just replace those word in different simple word. So that way I am just speaking like continuously. I don't
Continuously.
stuck. Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think uh, you have idea to how to replace different word to simple word means easy word. That's why.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
suddenly it don't come in my mind, like what we have to say in the particular word, so I just replace those word in whatever the word relate to them. So I just do this thing.
Okay, so how can do you do it? How can like for example, like you speaking anything and you forget some word in between. So how can you change word? How can you replace another word that place?
Yeah, it happens like that word is not really correct for that sentence or according to the context. But I usually use that because I don't want to stuck in middle. So that's why. For example, yesterday I was saying something. So I had to say like I deposit my money in bank. I will
Hmm.
deposit my money in bank. So I was not getting the word deposit at that time. So I just use another word, submit or something. So
Yeah, yeah, yes.
so I just realized after that oh I should use that word like deposit word, but I was not able to recognize or recall that time. But because of making because of fluency, I can say I just use those words. So I'm
Yeah,
just doing this.
Yeah, because you like you remember that time in mind the different words, because I think it's all about your practice and it's all about your hard work, because I think you will learn more vocabulary. That's why you that time you able to recall.
Yes, yes. But if you are not able to recognize or recall those words, so you can just replace. You can memorize that time. For example, you have to say like impatient. The people who are very impatient this time. So I was not able to recall that time. So I was just telling people are not patient about this thing.
Hmm.
So we are just replacing whatever the word we can use here. So I'm just doing it. But like if you are regularly reading or learning some new words, so you should try to use those
Okay,
because it
okay,
will
okay.
look
Yeah.
like professional. Otherwise, people will think like I'm just saying simple English. So yeah,
Yeah, maybe this way is like a helpful for me, because like when dancer when we dancer do dance, so that time they make mistake, so they don't show, or they don't show audience I do mistake, just they convert another step, so
convert.
people
Yes,
say,
yes,
yeah, people say he doing any kind of different, so English is the same. Whenever you give speech, so that time when you speak continuously and you forget some line, so just you replace other lines. So
yes.
don't take pose, so people, otherwise when you take pose, so people thinks something, he forgets something like this.
Yeah, exactly.
So
So it will be helpful who are a beginner and they are just speaking. So it would be helpful for them. But
yeah.
if you want to become expert in this language, so definitely we have to use some fancy or different words.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, and another question you have, so you can ask.
Uh, okay, so as you told that you are doing BA.
Yes, ma'am. BA.
Okay, and you are also running your YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am. Recently I made it like 1 month ago.
Okay, so what's your
Actually,
future plan?
actually, just future plan is not any kind of different. Just it is normal. Like after completed college, I will start some business. Actually, I like business, and that's why. Actually, I'm not preparation any kind of government exam and private exam, because I don't like that. Actually, I don't like jobs. So it's a
Okay.
simple, yeah, simple plan for my career. Maybe in future I will start another is a traveling. So I also like traveling. So maybe I will start traveling. Actually, that's why I make the YouTube channel, because nowadays I am learning from like a YouTube, about YouTube, how to increase channel on YouTube, how to like mention tags and how to edit video. Just I get knowledge about YouTube.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Yeah, it will take time and it depends on person to person. Like we can't say that, it took me 1 year for getting 1K plus subscribers now. So
Oh,
yes,
so congratulations,
and
ma'am.
some thank you. And some people can get like in 1 or 2 months as well. So it
Yes,
vary
ma'am.
from people to people. I don't know
Yeah,
how
it's
YouTube really works, but
yeah. You should know about YouTube algorithm. It's the very important when you take some session like a paid session, so you can understand day by day how YouTube work and how other social media work. It Yeah, obviously it will take time, because we are beginner on social media. Actually, I
hmm,
don't know about YouTube anything. Just I upload video and after two 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 like 2 days 3 days I check which 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 kind of views I get. So
hmm,
it is normal process for me. I'm
yes,
not
yes.
like doing any kind of more effort on YouTube. Just I am learning about YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, gradually you will understand these things. In the beginning, I was like, just I have to upload the videos, and I was just bothering about my views and subscribers, and I was not seeing anything else. But nowadays, I'm not bothering about anything. I'm just uploading my videos. I'm just doing my best. That's it.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so what is your future plan with your YouTube journey?
YouTube. Already, I'm working as well. So it's my secondary plan, I can say. If I can grow in YouTube, so it would be good for me because I have both. And in future, if I'll feel like that I have to quit my job for YouTube, so I will think about later on. But nowadays, I don't have any this kind of plan that I have to grow more. But yeah, I have to improve my communication.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
that's the main thing.
Yeah, that is good because communication skill is very important nowadays.
Yes, yes. Because I have faced a lot of difficulties, so I can understand it easily. But I know that it's only my mistake because I haven't tried. If I had tried before, so definitely I would be able to speak, or I would be confident and I can improve my English. But it's all about my mistake that I haven't tried it before. But now I'm doing it. So
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool because you are finding a different way to earn money because YouTube is a best platform to earn money. But it's not a it is not up like a simple. Yeah,
yes,
it will take it first of all it will take time, and it when you give any kind of different content on others, then people's like your video, people's spend some time on your YouTube channel. Otherwise because many YouTubers are available already, they are successful on YouTube, so
hmm.
it is very hard
Yeah,
for
absolutely.
us.
So
Yes.
competition is very high, but
Yeah.
you have to focus on your journey, and if you can make them interesting, make the thing interesting, then you should do. But I'm
Yeah.
also not getting much time to do these things, or I can do everything better, but I don't get much time, so that's why because of work, I have to work as well, so that's the main thing. But I'm just doing it.
Okay, sir. I know how many watch time do you complete?
It's don't know the exact count, but it's half completed.
Like a 2000, maybe 2 and 3,000.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is. It is. I think your channel is going grow day by day. Maybe. I hope you. Uh, re- yeah.
Hope
Yes,
so.
ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much for joining this
Okay.
call. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Same here, ma'am. Bye and take care, ma'am.
Bye bye.